shit. We got the back bumper out. It's off.
Holy fuck.
Oh, yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Gab. Welcome back to another video, and I'm here with Max. Alright guys, so this is the 350. So we had a rubbing issue before with the body kit and everything, so we went ahead and recut the fenders. So now when I drop the suspension, when I air out, I can clear the wheel well. Me and Max, we sanded all this because the car is getting repainted. I am not revealing the paint color until I don't know when. Probably after DDM. Probably no. After DDM. Well, how are we gonna build a car if they don't know what color it is? Because we still have. No, we'll probably reveal it on the 5th day or so. I'm picking up the paint tomorrow. Other than that, I need to change tires in the back because not healthy. So now I can actually drive really low, and that's gonna be fun. We have a bit of body work to do, like there's a small dent here. I'm sure you guys are gonna like the color, and yeah, so this is day one, and hope you guys are looking forward to what we're gonna do to this thing. You ready? Yeah. Spacer gang.
Why does my tires on the Miata?
Alright, so we're trying to replace these lines because we have a leak up here from rubbing or whatever. So we need to absolutely change these lines ASAP because I'm tired of waking up in the morning and the back of the car is all aired out. So alright guys, so we got the lines out on both sides actually. We had to unbolt the bag because the way it was positioned, it would have just been harder to try and undo the line. Now the bag is loose, whatever. We're going to go buy some lines. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm picking up the paint. I'm installing my tires. What else?
Spray foam for the fender liner?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it through because it's kind of stuck between the wood. There we go, got it.
I'm in the hole. Perfect.
Booyah. Rocket bunny.
There you go. Man. Cool. Other than that, that went pretty well.
Yeah.
I think that's it for day one. Quick bumper removal.
Quick things?
Just for you guys. We're doing
Okay, let's do it.
Holy crap, it's dark, boys. We took the bumper off. Yeah, it's pretty dark, boys, sorry. So yeah, we took the bumper off. Taillights are out. I'm going to do a bit of things to that. So we're probably gonna have maybe not a full video, but if you guys want a tutorial video, I'll probably make it on how to open them and customize them and stuff. But those are aftermarket, so I'm probably not gonna do anything crazy. Other than that, we're gonna call it a night.
Gonna be fire.
Fire! So yeah, alright. We're ending this. Good night.
Good night.